So we are up here on this customer's four-wheel camper. We just finished the whole truck and camper build and everything, and I wanted to walk you through how we do our Starlink setups. So from the factory now, four-wheel campers come with a Starlink plug down here on the side of the camper. It's a great option if you want to just be able to take your Starlink Mini and plug it into the side of the camper and go and sit down on the ground. But how I've started to want to use the Starlink is full-time up on the roof. So what we do is we add a penetration into the roof with a scan strut waterproof connector. This runs down inside to the four-wheel camper power system. We use a PCI mount underneath the Starlink Mini. This is a magnetic mount here. So this Starlink is able to stay up on the roof full time. You can turn it on and use it while driving. So you'll have Wi-Fi while driving down the road, stream fresh music, good nav. It's a really, really rad setup. Absolutely love this when I'm going down to Mexico because there's huge dead spots between towns. This lets me have fresh music and podcasts the whole time while I'm on the road. So this setup again is completely removable. So you can unplug this Deutsch connector right here, unmagnet it from the roof, and then if you wanted to, you can still take this down and use it on the ground. So for example, if you wanted to park this truck below a tree to shade the truck, you can take this off the roof, unplug the PCI mount right there, and then plug in your factory cable, go and set this thing on the hood, out on your buddy's truck, out in the field, and then plug in the factory connector into the side of the camper. I think that's like a 50-foot cord or 40-foot cord, and then be able to have good reception wherever you're at. Again, PCI makes this thing. It's a really rad little setup, and we've just figured out how to cleanly integrate this into your camper. So if you want to put this back up onto the roof, plug this back in, magnet it back down, plug in the Deutsch connector, flick the switch inside, and then you have high-speed internet wherever you are in the world. We're able to do this on both new campers purchased through us, as well as older campers that don't have any Starlink stuff set up. We do recommend the Starlink Minis. There is a Gen 3 dish available if you're someone that needs higher speeds, if you're working full-time remote and need to stream lots of data or something like that. It has a bigger power draw, so there's some things we have to change with it. But overall, really good kit. We can do this on a new camper, old camper, whatever you guys have. Let us know.